Okay.
Babes.
Yes?
I want to get food. I don't know what we like to eat.
I would love to have noodles and crab.
Noodles and crab, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Sis, what's up?
Yeah, bro. Okay.
I want to get noodles and crab. Are you game?
Noodles and crab.
Yes.
Kilinjabe.
No.
Bro, I beg, Jerry. Do you know what I want? I just have about this thing. I think it's new because I'm just hearing about it. It's called spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti balloon.
Yeah! That's not how to pronounce it. Pronounce after me.
Should we repeat after you?
Yes. Spaghetti
Jesus!
bolognese. Bolognese, bro. Bolognese.
Spaghetti balloon.
Yeah, that's what I want. Thank you.
Alright, no problem. Spaghetti balloons.
Alright.
Come. Babe.
Yes?
Just thinking, can we just have spaghetti baloney?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Oh yes.
No, I'm not interested.
You want spaghetti balloons? I hear it's nice though.
Let's do pizza and ice cream.
Pizza and ice cream. That's the right choice. You know I'm coming, baby. Sis,
Bro,
can we do pizza and ice cream instead of pizza?
I thought you just said you are good with spaghetti bolognese.
You know now, I love spaghetti now. You know me. Me and spaghetti are 5 and 6.
I'm not chop pizza. I want shawarma.
You just know the way to. That's my favorite. That type, yes. Alright, shawarma, right?
Thank you. Thank you, bro. I love you.
I love you too. Babe.
Yes?
Please, can we just do shawarma?
No. It's pizza I want.
See, baby, you know what happened?
What?
Let me just go and order anything that we eat. Let's just anything that we eat, right?
Fine.
Love you.
Love you too.
I've ordered though. You know, you people have been calling me big names of food. And so I've ordered. So what I ordered now is what we eat. So right now, this is what they said to us.
I'm not understanding.
This is what, so this one we had it inside much later when I put that. Okay. Can we just take your spoon? Hold this first now. That, my love. Hold this first now. Hey, mama, let me still drop it because I'm the one putting it inside. So right now, we're gonna.
How fast do we hear of this?
Bro, na Gary I see so.
Yes, now Gary now.
How does Gary and Bolon tally?
How does bologna and Gary goes together? You hear yourself, bologna. When you sow Gary and you drink it, it's called you are blowing the Gary. It's bologna's Gary. So you understand? So that is it now.
How does crab and noodles goes with this?
Crab and noodles. Sorry, let's leave crab. You see, noodles now is made from cassava, and what we're about to do now is from cassava. So, okay, yeah, with your spoon already. Yeah, with your spoon. Balloons. Are you not eating?
Bro, now because I dey hungry, now I go drink am, but you know fair, but no wahala sha.
You don't admit.
No be wetin I order for be this, but because I dey hungry.
Balloons, Gary, balloons, just blows the Gary.
There's no even milk in it.
Oh, you want milk? And you're calling crab and everything. Drink Gary, balloons the Gary.
It's because I'm hungry. Because I'm hungry.
Drink Gary. Let's balloons. Let's noodles.
Bro, Add sugar, I never reach.
Just sugar. Bolos. Now you agree that this is the bolos.
Don't put sugar.
Bro, I say make you add sugar.
Don't put sugar in it. I'm not taking
Add
sugar. No.
Add sugar.
I said no. No sugar.
Bro, Alpha. Now
Wait now. I add sugar. Wait
Don't
now.
add any sugar.
Bro, if
Excuse
you want
me.
me to eat this thing, add sugar.
Don't add sugar.
Excuse me. I should add sugar.
Yes, bro, add sugar.
I should not add sugar.
Yeah, no sugar.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Bro, I say make you add sugar, I mean we drink this thing. You carry on for hand. Which one be that one now?
Apostle will hear of this.
Should I add sugar?
Yes, now add sugar, make I drink.
Should I not add sugar?
No sugar.
This one now is okay for me. I'm coming.
So I should not eat again.
You want sugar now?
Now so you won't be happy. No wahala. Tomorrow they come up for your house.
You know I'm hungry.
Ben. Boloso.
Balloons go, balloons me.
Clap. You see what? You see?
Our wife. How you doing now? Smile for me now. What be me and you they get clash? Oh, smile, smile, smile. Smile for us now, auntie. Okay, wait. I know what my brother did earlier. Actually wrong. Because me like this, I dey vex for him. I know be lying. That's why I came to meet you. I want us to run something together.
No.
I beg now. No, seriously, this plan to work out. Let me just tell you. Yeah.
That's a great idea.
I told you now. I told you.
Yeah.
So we are in, Abby.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I've sent it.
Thank you.
Go, coach, let me continue my game. I don't understand. The two of them. I'm in trouble.